Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Google Wallet. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to start using Google Wallet here, like to make transactions, or in this case, you just want to use it in every day, pay for your groceries, well, this one's going to be really easy. Now, I highly recommend you to first update the app. So if you haven't updated the app, go and visit Google Play Store and update it. Now, in this case, the great thing about Google Wallet here is they made it a lot easier to access, and it's quite simple honestly as of right now. So in this case, if you open up the Google Wallet here or Google Wallet, this is what you're going to see. Now, immediately, if you have a card added into your account, you should be able to see your card in here. But if you don't, well, don't worry, you can have the option to add your wallet. Now, as you can see, the first option we are going to see here is going to be Add Payment Card. Now, go and click on Add Payment Card here, and it should allow you to start adding your card. Now, in the next page, you will need to scan your card, or you can go and or enter details manually. You can go and just enter the card number, the expiration date, and the CVV or security code at the back. Now, obviously, the screen is protected, so you won't be able to see the exact screen here, but typically, you can go and just enter the details or scan your card if you want to. Now, in this case, what are the other options that we can see here? Now, if you click on the View More option, this will give you all the details about your card. Now, in here, in the View More section, you should be able to see your history or what payments or whatever you paid for now as of this moment. So this is where you will be able to see your passes, your cards, and even your history. Now, if you click on Manage Payment Methods, it should allow you to see all the payment methods that is added in your card. Now, if you click on the New Credit or Debit Card option, that should allow you to add a card. But if you see your card in here, you can go ahead and select that. And this is what you should be seeing. Now, in here, you should see your virtual card account number and also the activities if you want to see history. Now, also, if you want to make this as the default payment, if you want to use the tap to pay option. So if you want to use by default for any payments, I can even add a nickname, learn how to pay using it. So just in case you get confused when using this, but later on, I'll be showing you how to exactly pay for it. But in this case, at the very bottom of the screen as well, if you scroll down, you have the option to remove this card as well. So if you want to delete this from your account, just in case. Now, what about the plus button that you see at the bottom section of your screen? Now, if you click on the plus button, it should give you the option to add other options here. Now, the great thing about Google Wallet is you have the option to add what we call different options or different passes first. So if you have the option to add your transport pass, loyalty card, gift cards, and everything else. So as long as Google Wallet or Google Pay actually supports this, you won't have to worry about it. So in this case, you can go and just add this. So for example, if you want to add a transport pass, go and click on transport pass and provide the necessary information. Now choose your transport operator here and fill out the necessary information. Once you've done that, it will be added into your card or in your account here, and you'll be able to start using it. Now, how do you exactly start using it? Now, like what I said before, if you go back to the homepage in a Google Wallet here, typically you'll see your cards. Now, in your cards here, you could go and just basically select that card. And once you select that card, you should be able to see the screen here. Now, in here, you should see the history or transactions that you made with that card. And the thing with this section here is you'll now be able to start using it. Now, as you can see, it's going to say turn on NFC to pay with wallet. So meaning you need to turn on your NFC. So in this case, how do you turn it on? Now, typically in your account, you just need to scroll down from the top of your phone at the top, right? And from here, you want to look for the wallet option. So this is the NFC, so wallet. Go and select that one, and that would open up Google Wallet. But in this case, you want to also enable NFC. So you want to go and click on the edit here. Scroll down a bit, look for NFC. Go and click on the plus button. Click on the check at the top right. And as you can see, I've just enabled this. So in this case, once you've enabled that, you can go and go back into your Google Wallet here. And typically, once you have this enabled, you could go and just tap this at the counter, or it works like a card or a credit card. So you just need to tap it at the payment terminal, and typically that would process the actual payment. So you may need to also provide like authentication, like your fingerprint or whatever, depending on how you set this up. But in this case, once you've done that, you'll be paying for your groceries or whatever you want to pay for now. But that's about it. So, if you found this video, avoid the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.